proud of you guys. I had a lot of fun. क्या बात है? Shimmy, shimmy, shimmy. Everyone look in the camera. Let's get started. Wow! अभी वो करो ना रिकॉर्ड जब हम नॉर्मल स्पीड पे करेंगे. हमारे रफ वर्क मत देखो. बैड रविश रॉन्ग कट. Hi Devika.
Hi.
What is up?
I'm fine and absolutely doing fine.
Actually, this is my first time trying belly as well.
This is not my form. She gave me the courage. She has put in so much hard work in the choreography.
मोना मैम को 4 years से फॉलो कर रही हूँ एंड नाउ आई गेट टू मीट हर एंड डांस विद हर एंड डांस विद ऑल ब्यूटीफुल लेडीज.
Mona is making this production जिसमें दिल्ली के बाहर से भी dancers आए हैं, दिल्ली से भी हैं, and like we all are coming together. I feel this is just amazing also because we are so many women. I have never seen a group of 18 girls do tribal belly dance.
I'm a lot more comfortable with talking to new people and just learning with them. So I think that was something new.
Arms. Generally हम बहुत restrictive तरीके से, बहुत oriental तरीके से arms use करते हैं, but there are so many touch, so many angles, so many different postures of the arms.
टेक्निक्स भी यहाँ आके बहुत जल्दी हो रही है एंड आई कैन लाइक ग्रैब इट बहुत जल्दी से अब इतने साल के बाद. इट एक्चुअली हेल्प्स मी बिल्ड माई कॉन्फिडेंस. ऑनलाइन मुझे ऐसा ही लगता है हमेशा कि यार कुछ छूट रहा है बिकॉज कहीं पैर नहीं आ रहे, कहीं टर्न्स में बैलेंस नहीं हो रहा. बट यहाँ पे आके इट फील्स कि नहीं छूट नहीं रहा है, इट इज़ फाइन, अच्छा हो रहा है. फन फॉर मी मुँह से सीखना एंड उनसे मिलना, उनसे टेक्निक्स सीखना, इट इज़ ऑलवेज फन फॉर मी.
सबसे पहले तो व्हेन आई फर्स्ट मेट मोना, सबसे पहला हुआ था कि आई ओपनड अप एंड इट वाज एन ओपनिंग अप. पहले भी था बट इन फ्रंट ऑफ पीपल एंड नाउ व्हेन आई कम अगेन इट इज़ लाइक आई हैव नो फियर. My fear has completely gone and it's like I've surrendered. When I come in presence of her, मैं सब कुछ छोड़ छाड़ के आ जाती हूँ घर से and I just give everything to her now. So that is the change. I don't stress out. Things are just happening and बस हो जाता है. That is how Mona is and that is how the process is right now for me. No fear, nothing. सब उनके हाथ.
आई एम दैट काइंड ऑफ पर्सन जो अपने बारे में बहुत कॉन्फिडेंस नहीं है और मेरे लिए ऐसा है कि अच्छा फील करना कि मैं सुंदर लग रही हूँ. वो ऐसा होता है कि सुंदर मेरे को भी बोलता है या कॉम्प्लीमेंट करके तो मैं ऐसे होती कि नहीं. पर लेकिन जब बेली डांस कर रही होती तो मेरे को ऐसा पहली बार फील हुआ कि हाँ मैं भी सुंदर हूँ, मेरी बॉडी अच्छी है और अपने बारे में अच्छा फील हुआ. तो ये पहली बार था मेरी.
Word would be fidato. Fidato means someone that you can trust. Time with her, I don't know where it goes, but I love being with her and spending time moving my body. And there is no one in the dance community that understands me and my body more than her. And she knows what I am feeling and what my body is feeling. Veil of Tears is to be reborn. I wanted to be reborn, like my identity, my connection with dance and my connection with emotions.
Veil of Tears is a beautiful track by Beats Antique, and to me it sounds like a flow of energy which is not very blasting, bombastic, explosive energy. It keeps building on but not from a very low, and it doesn't go very high either. It gives you such सुलगते हुए moments. I've always wanted to create something on this song. It's truly wonderful for me to see my students who are working with new people who they don't even know, but because they're part of that group, they're helping each other, they're doing each other's makeup, they're fixing it, they're helping each other revise the choreography, having fun, making sure that everyone's just enjoying the process so much. The choreography is not very technical, but it is very very precise in terms of कब क्या हो रहा है. इसी वजह से we need to be very abreast with each and every section. I will give everyone a list कि कब क्या हो रहा है और उनको काउंट्स जहाँ पे बहुत क्रूशियल है वो काउंट्स तो याद होनी चाहिए. I always want that with every rehearsal my students just give all the headache of the output to me In the beginning, they always come with the idea that whether I'll be able to do it or not. And of course, it's such a big leap of faith that I'm so grateful for.
किसका मेकअप हो गया? 7 करोड़। Very nice. Good. जो पूरा प्रॉपरली शूट होगा विद लाइक कोरियोग्राफी सेट कॉस्ट्यूम्स एंड लाइक विद कैमरा पर्सन लाइक पूरा प्रॉपरली शी इज सेटिंग लाइक फॉर मी इट्स लाइक अ डांस फिल्म
चढ़ के कितनी सीढ़ी है तुम्हारे पास जो तुम 2 मिनट में निकालोगे? चलो निकालो।
So like female dancehall is my style, and I feel like this belly dancing and female dancehall, they are like both kind of similar. I like
People who are not even belly dancers, who haven't even tried it. But that's the thing, I always say, we always divide into different forms. This is belly dance, that is whacking, this is hip hop, that is Kathak. But we are all the same. We are all the same. And I love seeing that, and I love, I will always keep creating this space so that we all can come together and just create something.
Ever since 2020, I wanted to have something that I have designed, because I stopped wearing things that were in the market like long ago, because they were very uncomfortable and they would give me the feeling that it's hurting me. Finally, it's 2025. And this is the first production where I want my students to wear these belts.